Principle number 4, the principle of polarity. Everything has its opposite. All opposites are identical in nature, but different in degree. Like and unlike are the same. All extremes meet. All truths are but half-truths. Everything can be reconciled. That sounds in many ways paradoxical. It sounds a bit confusing. How could opposites be identical in nature? How could opposites be reconcilable? And how could extremes meet? Well, if you further just consider the idea, what it in essence means is that without the one, the other simply has no meaning, no value. And so an opposite view is merely a degree of difference. Whichever way you choose to lean in your perception, yet without the one, the other does have no meaning. So the principle of polarity, once again, it brings our awareness to this idea that when someone has a different view or a different opinion, it is merely just a perspective. You are all witnessing the same reality through a different lens, and everything can be reconciled. All extremes can eventually meet. I find this very encouraging because often when people have extreme views, we tend to sometimes think that we can't interact with them, we can't communicate with them because they're too extreme. Following the guideline of this principle, it is just a perspective, it's just a lens through which that individual is experiencing reality. And when a person has that kind of insight into trying to understand another person's point of view, it certainly can give you a level of tolerance that you most likely wouldn't normally have had you not understood the principle of polarity. All truths, the principle goes on to say, are half-truths. And all lies are half-true. Once again, it sounds paradoxical, it sounds confusing, but what the principle of polarity emphasizes is that there's no such thing as absolute right or absolute wrong. We can all reconcile differences, we can all meet halfway and create a better world. What a wonderful principle. Have a blessed day.